Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarvana. I am in grade 3 in my English program. Today, I will talk about the benefits of palm tree. That there are over 2,600 species of palm trees around the world, such as Areca, Plantain, on palm tree is divided into 4 parts: leaves, trunk, roots, fruits, products, nuts, and we can get all sugar, descent, vine, root, table and chair, boat, basket, cake, and many more. Palm trees are awesome, so let's take care of it and plant more. Thank you for listening.